Hi, this is Azuri. Today I'm going to show you some of the apps that I use to make my YouTube content, thumbnails, videos that I post on Instagram and my Facebook page. So this first app, PhotoFox, is the app that I use to make all my thumbnails. You can add things like text, you can iPhotoshop my face onto images, you can add pictures, you can manipulate pictures, just a lot of image editing. Obviously, it's taken me about a year to learn how to really use this app to the fullest. But with anyone who's really interested in being able to make stuff for their YouTube on the go with people who don't have a lot of time, I highly recommend getting these apps. They definitely help. I can go into more breakdown in a future video if you all would like to see that. So please let me know down in the comments. And if you haven't, please hit that like and subscribe button. Like the video, share it with a friend who might be interested in something like this. And yeah, so you can see here how you can take away the background, and I just have myself, and I colored in everything blue. I've formed all these social media things together. This is the thumbnail that I made for this video. And you added the text, and you kind of just push it all together, and there you have a really nice thumbnail for a YouTube video. I'm going to kind of let this play until the next app. We get to the next app. the Video Leap app. This one I use a lot for all my clip editing and just content that I post on Instagram and stuff like that. I game on PC, so all the clips that I capture on the GeForce experience, I have those videos saved to a folder on my OneDrive on my PC. And I have the OneDrive downloaded on my app from the App Store, the OneDrive, and then I download the video from my PC through the OneDrive app on my phone, and that's how I upload the videos onto this app on my phone, so that way when I'm at work on my lunch breaks, I can put my content together, because I don't have time to do it at home on my PC. So I kind of found a way to do it on the go, so that way I kind of save time, so I can be home and do the things that I want to do, like stream, spend time with my wife, stuff like that. So learning this app is very similar to the other ones. They're all pretty uniform. If you figure out one, you can pretty much figure out the other ones. You can add text, you can have cool effects to the text that come in and out. You can have videos, multiple clips like merge into each other, just like you could do on a PC, just on your phone. Again, I'm gonna let this one play out until the next app shows up. So if you guys do have any questions about any specific app, I can make more detailed videos about each app specifically. Our last app that we're using is more of like a GIF maker, or a image that has like moving objects on it. So like with this one, you can add like the cloud on it, or like a snowy fall effect or a raining effect to it. I don't really use this one this much. The main reason why I downloaded this one was to make myself look like I was disappearing, like the snap in Endgame when Thanos snaps everyone away. That was the main purpose why I got this one. But I don't really mess with this one too much. I'm sure there's a lot of people that have a use case for this. I don't really, but I can go into further details on this app if you guys would like to see more details about it. I'm pretty sure this one's fairly self-explanatory about what you can do with it. So appreciate y'all if you made it this far into the video. If you haven't, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.